So if we compare the Nikon D90, the Canon 7D, and the Panasonic DVX100, you may say, why are we doing that? Well, there's a reason. They're all about the same price, and they all do 24p. So, obviously the 7D is going to look the best, but what about the other cameras? Where do they fit in, and what can we say about those? So if we take a look at the actual video, we have a still frame that shows some very different attributes for each camera. For the DVX100, we see that it has a very, very different colorimetry than both the other two cameras. Its resolution isn't the greatest, but it does have less artifacts than the D90. Now when we go to the D90, we see that everything in the video mode is abnormally crushed. The blacks are crushed. Now this is with the contrast turned down. Obviously if we had more controls over the picture, we might be able to make it look a little bit better, but remarkably the color between the D90 and the 7D is very, very close. The 7D is it's a lot sharper, and it also has more dynamic range. Now I've adjusted and tweaked the contrast ratio of the 7D. That was the first thing that I did, and we'll go over that in one of the tutorial videos. But you see that it picks up more of the background black, and it also just picks up more range throughout the picture, whereas the D90 is crushed. The DVX100 definitely shows some aberration, and that just comes from the lens that's used with it. I mean, it's a great standard def camera, but it never did well with high contrast edges. So, and there's a lot of that in this still frame. So that's it for this video. We'll definitely be doing more tests in the future, but I just wanted to get this quick test out there so that you could see a range of difference between the three cameras.